Good morning students, welcome to Narayana Live Session classes. Today we are going to discuss the assignment of 8th class under the topic vectors. Let us see the first question. The shortest distance between initial and final points in a particular direction is called. Okay. Let us say we have taken a particular direction here. Right. Now here, if this is initial point and this is final point and they are in that direction. Okay. Now the distance is the shortest distance and you can measure with the help of scale here, right? Now the scale measures around 12 centimeters. Okay. Now this shortest distance is called as displacement. It's called as displacement. Okay. Now the object is displaced from initial point to final point in the particular direction. Okay. Next, if R1 is equals to x1i, y1j and R2 is equals to x2i, y2j, where I and j are unit vectors along x and y axis, then the displacement vector delta R will be. Now, there is a point R1 here, R1 is equals to x1 I cap plus y1 j cap, and the other point R2 is equals to x2 I cap plus y2 j cap. Now from this point to this point is called as change in position delta R. Okay. Now the displacement vector delta R is equals to R2 bar minus R1 bar, that is x2 I cap plus y2 j cap minus x1 I cap plus y1 j cap. So this is equal to x2 minus x1 of I cap plus y2 minus y1 of j cap. So the displacement vector delta R would be x2 minus x1 of I cap plus y2 minus y1 of j cap. This would be the answer, right? Now let us go to the third question. If the position of vector changes from 1, 2, 3, that is the position of the vector P1 is 1, 2, 3. In the vectorial form it can be represented as 1 I cap plus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap is changed from to second position, that is 5, 4, 2. So the vectorial representation would be 5 I cap plus 2 j cap, sorry, 5 I cap plus 4 j cap plus 2 k cap. Now the displacement vector, that is, let us say a vector is displaced from P2 position to P1 position, that is P1, P2 minus P1. So 5 I cap plus 4 j cap plus 2 k cap minus of I cap plus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap. Okay, this can be written as 5 minus 1 of I cap plus 4 minus 2 of j cap plus 2 minus 3 of k cap. This is 4 I cap plus 2 j cap plus minus 1 of k cap. Now the displacement vector is 4 I cap plus 2 j cap minus k cap. Okay, 4 I cap plus 2 j cap minus k cap. This is the answer, right? Now let us go to the final question. There are two vectors A and B. Let us say this is vector A and this vector B. Now from the above figure, find the angle between A and B. Right? Now the angle, if the two vectors were like this, head to tail, then the angle would be exterior angle. Right? Here the two vectors are given tail to tail. Right? And the angle between them also given, and we can also measure here with the help of protractor. Right? This would be around 30 degrees. So angle here is 30 degrees. When they are connected tail to tail, right? A vector and B vector are joined at their tails. Okay, so they make an angle 30. So from the figure, the angle between A and B vector is 30 degrees. Okay, so that will be our assignment for today. We'll meet in the next assignment. Thank you everyone.